These tools can fix almost anything. Meet the ultimate tool for the outdoorsman. This pocket wrench combines various functions in one, making it the perfect companion for camping, hiking, or any outdoor adventure. Get the job done faster with this incredible wrench plier. Quick and efficient, it's a must-have for your toolbox. From cutting to opening cans, this multifunctional knife has you covered. Made of stainless steel, it's the durable and versatile tool every camper needs. Don't leave home without this Camping Master. Why carry separate tools when you can have them all in one kit? The Handy Hero combines various essential functions, making it a valuable asset for any DIYer, professional, or homeowner. Reach tight spots and make repairs a breeze with this magnetic screwdriver set. Its telescopic design and flexibility ensure you always have the right tool at the right time.